So let us see something qualities of good personality. What is a quality? First of all, let us understand this. Quality is the parameter to judge the goodwill of a product or a personality or an individual. So unless and until you do not have that parameter set, if that person is falling under that parameter, that means this person is having a good personality. If that person is not falling under that parameter, that means that person does not have a good personality. So let us talk about some good qualities of good personality. Number one, as I said, once you have a very strong personality, that means you are dedicated towards your own goal and to goals and targets. So of course you will be having the clarity of your goal and purpose in life. Because see, what happens is that most of the people in the world on today's date, what they are doing is that they are all running. We all are running, but we don't know where we have to run. We are running, but we are running in a dark lane, if I have to say. So unless we do not have the clarity of our own goal or the purpose in our life, we cannot achieve that. Before achieving something, we have to set the target first. Without setting any target, we cannot achieve it, right? Doing beyond expectation. See, what happens is that when I am having a good personality, that means I'm dedicated toward the thing which I'm doing it. I'm sincere. Or you can say, I know what I have to do. So, example, when I when I have a very good personality, people will be expecting from me that basically people, unless and until they don't know me, they'll be thinking that person is a good person or that person is a bad person, whatever it is, unless they are not very close with me. Because from the look, people will judge you. This is the general phenomena. What happens? You look very decent, people will be thinking this person can score 60%, 70%. But what happened? Since you have a very strong mindset, good personality, you have done your homeworks properly, you have done your hard works properly on time. So when you will be sitting for the examination, you can give your exam very nicely, and when the result is out, you will be getting marks beyond expectation, or you can give beyond expectation. Learning from your failures. This is next to impossible that whenever you do something, always you will get succeeded in your first attempt. That is next to impossible because nobody in this world is perfect. So maximum the chances, there are high chances. At times we will not be able to get the success in my first attempt. That is very much possible. So what happens? The person who is having a good personality, that person always takes learning from the failures rather than giving up. Next is managing everything. As I said, since you have a good personality, you have a multitasking talent. You know how to do multiple works at the same time, how to manage everything. Sound physical and mental attitude and health. Of course, when you have a good personality, of course, you will be very energetic from inside. At the same time, you will be having a very sound physical and mental attitude and health. Why? Because when you are mentally settled, you know what to do, what not to do. So you are physically strong as well and physically sound as well, and which will be impacting you in your health as well. Growing in one's knowledge and skills. As I said, on today's date, learning about your own profession is not enough. If you wanted to get success in your life and in your career, you have to you have to be the master of all jacks. So for this, you have to have good knowledge about almost everything what is happening or in your surrounding, and you should have good skills to grab the knowledge, desiring pleasure and excitement. This comes automatically. See, when you have a good personality, automatically you wanted to do beyond expectation, of course. So to do beyond expectation, you have to try, you have to try so many things. And once you're trying new things, and when you are achieving your targets, then you will be having the pleasure of doing your things, and that will excite you to achieve your next target, next goal. In this personality development course, what we are going to cover is your basic grooming, communication skills, basic etiquette and office ethics, and dress code ethics, interview preparation, then resume making. These are the things which we are going to cover in your this subject course. What is etiquette or ethics? These are the do's and don'ts which we have to follow. Norms, rules and regulations which we have to follow. These are the things which we are going to cover in personality development classes. Anyways, thank you so much. I'm sure this is going to help you a lot. So, in the upcoming classes, I'll be talking about these topics which I have mentioned here. We will be covering the subject, your course as well. Thank you so much. Stay safe.